how does it feel today to have this heart camp?
I think more than being happy, I'm super overwhelmed at the response. We just had a lunch right now with both the pretty ladies next to me, and when I came up, and we have already since 9 o'clock in the morning over 450 patients we have checked.
Wow.
And
Good.
in spite of the blurring rain what has hit Bombay city, I mean, I'm so surprised that people do care about their hearts here in Bombay. That's for sure.
So definitely, how does it feel being here today, motivating people to take care of their heart?
Of course, the motivation is तो always there. And जब भी मैं यहाँ आई लिफ्ट से मैं उतरी तो मैंने देखा काफ़ी लोग अभी भी है अपना चेकअप कराने के लिए. And I really want to congratulate Rajiv Mehta, the trustee, the owner. उनका पूरा हार्ट लीलावती हॉस्पिटल में है, तो उन्होंने जो कैंप किया है वो एक बड़ी अच्छी एक्टिविटी है. एंड आई होप आई एम श्योर दे विल बी डूइंग एवरी ईयर. और मैंने सुना कि अभी बहुत सारी सिटी में लीलावती हॉस्पिटल आ रही है, सो दैट इज़ गुड फॉर पीपल ऑल्सो. एंड ऑफ कोर्स आई मीन दिस इज़ द फर्स्ट टाइम मेरा लीलावती हॉस्पिटल में विज़िट करने का एक ज़रिया अलग था, एक इंटेंशन अलग था. एंड आई एम रियली हैप्पी. एंड जो इन्होंने कहा, राजीव जी ने कहा कि भाई इतना अच्छा रिस्पांस है, इतनी बारिश है फिर भी, एंड दैट इज़ रियली अमेजिंग, अमेजिंग. Congratulations. Thank you.
You being a Miss India, Priya, your motive has always been to encourage people. So how do you feel such kind of free heart camps help you?
Yeah, definitely. First of all, though, it's my pleasure to be part of this kind of, for the first time, it's my honor to be part of this program. And thanks to Rajiv sir, and ma'am, to you also. Thanks for having me.
Sir, अभी आप next क्या कर रहे हैं?
October 16th is my late father's birthday, what we celebrate as Memorial Day. It is also internationally medically known as World Spine Day, and on that day we are going to be having same a free camp like today, which is a heart camp. We will be having a free spine day, and we will be calling patients from all stratas of society, irrespective of caste, creed or gender, to have their spine and back checkups done. Because today that is another issue which needs to be highlighted with the stressful life, bad habits what we have today, weak backs and weak spines, which is now not just the privilege of the old. Today you have youngsters facing
most of the youngsters
facing
because of
this
the lifestyle and
the wrong lifestyle and all.
So just you tell us, what is it that we should do to take care of our health?
A lot. Of course, control diet, time पे खाना, quantity, the kind of food you eat, your lifestyle, and apart from food, your mind, your thinking, your state of mind is very, very important. So for that, of course, you need to go for meditation. See, mind, body, soul, सब it is a combination. सिर्फ एक के ऊपर काम करने से कुछ नहीं होता. You have to combine everything and put joint efforts and make a difference.
Yes. Winning a crown is one thing. Maintaining the crown is so difficult. So how do you actually maintain your health? She is to forever 60. How do you maintain?
How do I maintain? I think it's the good food, clean eating is mandatory for everyone, not only youth. Everybody should follow proper diet, healthy lifestyle, remain stress free.
स्ट्रेस फ्री तो हम नहीं हो सकते. यू कांट गेट अवे विद दैट, यू नो. स्ट्रेस फ्री तो अभी बोलेंगे तो फिर आप जंगल में चले जाओ. तो बम्बई में रह के अगर स्ट्रेस आया, यस, हाउ टू डील विद द स्ट्रेस, दैट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड दैट इज वेरी चैलेंजिंग. सो एवरीबडी इज वर्किंग ऑन दैट.
Managing stress is
managing and yeah.
So what would you advise? Healthy heart tip.
Well, I think, the easiest way to look after your heart is what our forefathers told us. Sleep early, wake up early, eat less at night, avoid alcohol. Chavyar, basically not eating after sunset.
Eat before sunset. That is.
Yeah. Today, unfortunately, the way the lifestyle of Mumbai is, today 9:30 in the night is considered a normal time for dinner. Which is obnoxiously very late. It's very unhealthy. The normal way of doing 10,000 steps a day, going for a walk, all these things are, very important. You have one life, and if you live right, one is enough. And I think the most important thing is to start with looking after your heart. It's very important. It's the main center which will make you go on for years to come.
Thank you so
And in my case, one life, I'm an actor.
Yeah.
One life, many lives.
Many lives.
मुझे बहुत सारी जिंदगियां जीनी है.
Absolutely.
तो मैं कैसे जीऊंगी? तो for that I really have to look after myself,
एक
जो
लाइफ
उन्होंने
में
कहा.
इतने किरदार निभाने हैं
Yeah.
कि you have to
Yes,
have.
yes. एक जिंदगी कम पड़ने वाली है.
Absolutely.
एक्चुअली कम पड़ने वाली है, लेकिन ऊपर वाले ने जितना दिया है, एक इंसान का जन्म दिया है, तो उसमें से बेस्ट करो, कंट्रीब्यूट टू द वर्ल्ड एंड जस्ट एंजॉय योर लाइफ. यो.
What do you feel
What I feel about like.
about what Sujata ji?
Yes, definitely, I agree. And ma'am is a motivation for me. I met her yesterday for the first time. She really influenced me with the aura. It really matters. Like,
Wow, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
लग रहा है आज getting so many patients here for a free health camp.
I think I'm so overwhelmed and happy that we can do something for the community. In spite of so much of rain today, Bombay being battered with the rain, people have braved the rain, and in fact yesterday we had to close down because there were nearly 720 people who had registered, and we have already got 340 people who have already come for their heart checkup, and we still have the whole day in front of us. It's a super feeling, I mean, I'm on cloud 9 to see so many people going back happy. They know the status of their heart, the ailments, and we are here to do the best for society.
So how does it feel to have the heartthrob of the nation sitting with you for a heart camp?
I have known Charlene, well, besides him being a very popular artist, I've known him since quite some time. He's a fabulous human being, very down to earth and incredible person. And I was so happy today that it's a fitting tribute to Leelavati that a personality like Charlene is coming in and gracing us. There could not be something so powerful as a statement as this personality coming here to Leelavati and enhancing the World Heart Day.
How does it feel, Charlene?
It feels very nice. I think it is very important. It is also thanks to Rajiv ji, thanks to this brilliant hospital that ये बहुत ज़रूरी है कि हमको हमारी इंटरनल ऑर्गन्स के बारे में पता चले. हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें ना अक्सर हम निगलेक्ट कर देते हैं. So I think it's a very good thing. We take care of our face, we take care of, we take bath, we take care of our hair, we take care of our eating these days. Chalo, it's very nice that people are, aware of what they eat, which is very good. Heart is something that we ignore most of the times till we don't have a problem, which is a wrong thing. I believe that once in a while the checkup should be done, and it is such a brilliant initiative by Rajiv ji that, people will be aware of it. Prevention is always better than cure. It is always better that you know where you are leading rather than you have gone somewhere and now you are just treating and curing yourself. So it's a brilliant initiative. Thank you so much, Rajiv ji, for
It's
this.
pleasure having you here, Shali. It's honestly.
And being a part of this this day, it's an honor for me to be a part over here.
Thank you so much.
So
Thank
what
you.
things can we expect from you?
Well, just next month on October 16th, which we celebrate as Memorial Day, it's the birthday of my late father. We are celebrating World Spine Day, and we are taking this initiative forward where we will be doing free spine and back checkups for patients without caste, creed, gender. It's going to be a complete free camp like this camp on October 16th. We have done several such camps. We have done eye camps where we have helped over 900 patients with their eye problems. We have done liver and kidney camps. We have done camps for the children. This is something what my mother, Mrs. Charuben Mehta, who is the chairperson of the board of trustees, she said to me once, Rajiv, I think it's time we start giving back to society for what it has done for us and start helping every community what we can in whatever small way we can.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. At Lilavati Hospital, we have always believed in the power of prevention, compassion and care. Today, as we join hands with millions across the globe, we renew our commitment to heart health, not just as a medical goal, but as a way of life. Cardiovascular diseases remain the leading cause of death worldwide, but the good news is it's largely preventable. Let us not wait for symptoms to speak. Let us listen to our bodies, act early and live consciously, because every heartbeat matters, not just to you but also to Lilavati. Thank you. Heart, you see, basically 31 years back when my late 31 years back when my late father and grandfather together decided to start this hospital. It started off as a cardiovascular hospital, basically for heart ailments. Then we started redeveloping and making new departments. We thought today, especially after COVID, the amount of sudden deaths taking place because of cardiovascular diseases, especially in the youth, it's best to dedicate this day for Health Heart Day, which is tomorrow, November the 29th.
How does cardio club help? Like the free cardio checkup कैसे happen? How does it
Well, under the stellar leadership of the chairperson, Mrs. Charuben Mehta, who is the chairperson of the board and the former permanent trustee of the board, she decided that she wants to develop a Seva department about 30 years back, and that's when we started doing a lot of charitable camps free for not only the underprivileged but to the community at large. So we decided to have this heart camp absolutely free of cost.
So, what message would you like to give to all the people watching regarding how they can take care of themselves better?
Look after your heart, because you just have one life, and with that you have one heart. And today nothing is more important than a healthy heart, and that's why we want to take the initiative that we want to look after your heart, because your heart not only matters for you because it's your heart, but it surely matters to us too, that you all have a healthy, happy life.
क्या कहना चाहेंगे जो ऑर्गेनाइज किया, कितना मजा आया आपको, कितना ऑर्गेनाइज
Why not?
Yeah, so it's privilege for us to do such a camp. We are all excited. We have already 300 plus registration. That means 300 plus patient, and there is no no criteria, no ration card required, nothing. You just walk in, register yourself, do the test. We are even doing lipid profiles, we are even doing glucose test, even we are doing ECG and examination by a senior cardiologist, junior cardiologist, and also if need be advice for dietitian, physiotherapist, etc. So we are trying to give all the facilities under one roof for, let's say it's a Sunday. So I would even request you all also, please just have your heart checked. It's a matter of 15-20 minutes.
Yes, so if I may add something here, like the theme of this year, don't miss the beat. So beat means the heart rate, and with the advancement in the technology and changing in the lifestyles, I think people are prone to, the younger generation are prone to have the heart ailments at the early age. So by this pro bono initiative under the umbrella of Seva, which is headed by Madam Charu Mehta herself, we thought of reaching out to the communities and bringing them here and giving them a proactive approach where they can take care of their heart. So here we are having the senior cardiologist, dietary consultations, laboratory tests, physiotherapy. So it's a comprehensive checking of your heart, and we keep doing such activities on this occasion through the Seva and Lilavati Hospital. If we may give one message to all of you, that is to go for your preventive health care, annual medical examination. We have packages for preventive health care. You can adopt to go for yearly health examination including your heart, and you can make a modification in your lifestyle which will prolong your health and the life. Thank you.
Important quality of life.
Yeah.
So quality of life would be very good. Our trustees, they all wish that all such diseases which improves your quality of life, we are trying to promote those services in our hospital.
I would like to invite all of you that after this press assignment is over, I would like you also to have a health checkup done about your heart. It will be our honor and privilege and pleasure. Thank you.
हार्ट का इश्यू था कुछ तो उनको सारे हॉस्पिटल्स, सारे डॉक्टर्स को दिखाया गया था। एंड मुझे याद है कि हम लोग लीलावती में लास्ट फाइनल स्टेज पे आए थे और और यहाँ से हम लोग उनको हैप्पीली एक्नॉलेज करके हैप्पीली उनको लेके गए थे घर। सो आई रियली अप्रिशिएट सर, यू आर डूइंग सच अ वंडरफुल थिंग। आपसे पहले जो कोई आ गए हैं उन सब लोगों ने जो काम किया है लीलावती।
To be very honest with you, the smile we see on the faces of the patients and their relatives is bigger than any payments what we receive.
That is what I can explain. I can understand this thing. अभी मैंने उनसे सिर्फ 5 मिनट बात किया, but I'm feeling that we are together since many years. Thank you so much.
मैम, सबसे पहले तो आपका नाम जानना चाहिए और कहाँ से आए और कैसे एक्सपीरियंस रहा आज लीलावती में जो टेस्ट के लिए?
टेस्ट मैं बांद्रा ईस्ट से बात कर रही हूँ। बांद्रा ईस्ट में रहती हूँ मैं, और जब भी मैं इधर आई बहुत इनके सब स्टाफ बहुत अच्छे हैं, बहुत इन्होंने फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड की है अभी के लिए, और प्रॉपर टेस्टिंग वगैरह कर रहे हैं।
आपने क्या टेस्ट कराया?
मैंने हार्ट का ECG, डायबिटीज़ और ब्लड कोलेस्ट्रॉल वगैरह सब टेस्टिंग हुआ है।
डॉक्टर कैसे लगे?
अच्छे डॉक्टर, बहुत होशियार हैं और प्रॉपर गाइडेंस करते हैं।
Same, she is my mom. So when I visited over here today itself, so doctors are very much helpful. They are here to guide you. Whatever you need to do, they are guiding you thoroughly, and they are prescribing you whatever tests are needed. You can do it over here itself or whenever you require.
मैम, सबसे पहले तो आपका नाम बताइएगा और आज यहाँ लीलावती में आप चेक करने के लिए क्या आए थे, कैसे एक्सपीरियंस रहा?
नमस्कार, मेरा नाम शिखा बटेवड़ा है और मैं भाईंदर से आई हूँ। मैं खुद एक सोशली और पॉलिटिकली वर्किंग करती हूँ और काफ़ी सारे हॉस्पिटल्स और सबके साथ हम भी मिलते रहते हैं और हम भी ये कैंप सब लगाते रहते हैं। लेकिन आज जो ये इतना अच्छा यहाँ का सेटअप मैंने देखा है, रियली बहुत ही वंडरफुल सेटअप है। यहाँ पे सब चीज़ की अलग अलग टेस्टिंग है, प्लस साथ में जो यहाँ पे डॉक्टर्स वगैरह की टीम है, बहुत अच्छी टीम है, बहुत एक्सपीरियंस टीम है और यहाँ पे आके मुझे बहुत अच्छा फील हुआ। मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो नहीं आ पाए उनको भी आना चाहिए था, क्योंकि आज का कैंप बहुत ही सुपर्ब कैंप है।
सर आपका कैसे एक्सपीरियंस?
बहुत बढ़िया लगा। डॉक्टरों का कंसल्टिंग जितना भी था बढ़िया था। सभी रिपोर्ट लाइन टू लाइन क्रम से सब चीज़ें एक से एक। और जहाँ भी कहीं हम खड़े भी थे तो तुरंत उन्होंने पूछा कि भाई आप नेक्स्ट ये, और लास्ट फुल सेटिस्फिकेशन था कि ऐसी चीज़ होनी चाहिए। अवेयरनेस आती है इससे, जो भी आए हैं उनको समझ पड़ता है कि भाई ये चीज़ें कहीं ना कहीं रूटीन में हम लोग उस चीज़ की परवाह नहीं करते, लेकिन जब कैंप आयोजित होते हैं तो अवेयरनेस आ जाती है कि क्या है, कुछ अपने वह है तो आदमी अलर्ट हो जाता है। बहुत बढ़िया लगा। सभी लोगों का कोऑपरेटिव नेचर था और जैसा सुना कि लीलावती बेस्ट था, सुपर।